What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another Tech Tuesday video. So still carrying on with my unboxings. This has been a long mass of Black Friday unboxings. So yeah, we're still going. So stay tuned. There's another bite-sized video coming right up. So let's go. Okay, so I've got another Amazon package here to be unboxed. It's a bag, but you know. Let's have a look. Okay, so this is an Anker Fast Charge Live More PowerPort Atom 3 with 2 ports. Okay, so here is the power adapter. Ta-da! Nice neat box, I like it. I've wanted this for a long time, I have to say, and this one specifically costs roughly about £45 on Amazon, like the normal retail price, and on the Black Friday sale I think I got it for 22. So yeah, that was, you know, less than half price, so that was a really good deal. And you know, I wanted it for so long I could not let it go. No, this is not frozen, but I couldn't let it go. It's got the IQ2 charging with USB 3, so you can plug in a standard USB-A port into the USB 3 socket, and at the same time you can also use USB-C as well. So this is going to be really handy for me because I plan on being able to plug in both my laptop, which was my MacBook Pro, and also I can also plug in another charger for a wireless charger, for example for my iPhone 11 Pro. So that will save me an extra socket space, so that is really good. And I believe this one is the 60-watt charger. So basically that's the unboxing for you. So that's the product. I'm looking forward to using these because this is going to save me not just, as I say, a socket space, but it's also acting as a fast charger. So I'm going to test it and we'll see how fast it actually charges, say an iPhone 11 or an iPhone 10 from flat to full. You know, at least how fast can it get up to 50%? And does it match up to the quality, if not better, to that standard Apple chargers that come with the product? This has been another bite-sized video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. So I'd love to hear what you guys think, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, peace.